Today I'm going to be reviewing BURIUS 12 non-stick sleeves here for the toaster oven microwave. I want to thank BURIUS for sending this to me to review. Here's a pen to give you an idea of the size. It's basically just the size of a sandwich. They're made out of fiberglass. They're very thin, as you can see. You put your sandwich in there. You put it in your toaster. This is what I really like. If you got like a toaster oven where you top load it, a pizza slice, cheese, you don't have to worry about that getting all in the inner works of your toaster oven. So this will protect that. Very easy to clean. You just wash it out with soapy warm water. You can use these in the microwave. They're good up to 500 degrees. So I didn't even know these existed. It's really a great idea if you think about it. So you're going to get 12 of these. But just to keep things clean in your toaster oven, microwave, maybe you're traveling and you want to make a dish, you can bring these with you. Great idea. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.